Hello everyone, and welcome to today's topic where we will discuss the importance of informing consumers about new product releases in e-commerce and how Wondershare Virbo can help you achieve that in just a few minutes. As you all know, new product releases could be crucial to a business. Usually the most effective way to inform consumers is through live streaming. But live streaming is very costly and always needs so many new products at a time, which causes many e-commerce merchants fail to inform consumers about new products timely, leading to unnecessary losses. But don't worry, with Wondershare Virbo, you can solve this problem in just 3 steps. Step 1. Choose the product release template, which is specially crafted to showcase your new product updates with exquisite transitions and designs. Step 2. Import product pictures or video that you would like to showcase in your product update video. Step 3. Choose an AI avatar that you like and export your video with your avatar presenting the product update script, making it more lively and engaging. With Wondershare Virbo, you can create your product update video on your phone or device mobile in a matter of minutes and sync it directly to your e-commerce platform or social media platform, reaching out to a wider audience. So, what are you waiting for? Try Wondershare Virbo for free and start creating stunning product update videos to inform your customers about new product releases.